Welcome to the second class of the visual defects of human eyes, and it's about hypermetropia. In my previous video, I explained the structure of human eyes and then the myopia, the cause and the remedy. And in this video, I shall discuss about hypermetropia or the long sight. So I hope you already understand the structure of human eyes. What is retina? What is lens? And how the refraction of light happens. And of course, I hope you know that the structure and the image formations of convex lens. So think about these three things, and as it is hypermetropia, you know the name is long sight. That means these eyes can see the distant object clearly or distinctly, but not the near object. So what is happening if from the near objects is appearing? So I hope you'll understand if I draw the figures. Think about from this near point light is coming. So if from the near point light is falling to the lens, and then what is happening? You know that this layer is known as retina, this one. And retina is the light sensitive layer which will sensitize the visions. So what is happening in case of hypermetropia? In case of hypermetropia, the light is converging out of the retina. I mean, way behind from retina. So why these things will happen? As because this is a visual defects. As you know that this is the retina, and here this should be the meeting point. But as it is a visual defect, from near when light is coming, this lens cannot converge these lines into the retina, so the object would be blurred. So the image would be blurred, and then the eyes cannot see things clearly. But if from the distant light is coming through, then what is happening? So when from the distance light is coming, then after the refraction they're actually meeting here in the cornea, I mean in the retina. So this is visible, but this is not visible. So as it is blurred, so what we can do? We can actually use a convex lens in front of the lens as an aid lens. You know the word is aid lens. So as an aid lens we can use a convex lens. Then what will happen? You know that convex lens converge the light rays. So when it will converge, then it would be like that. So it would definitely converge those light from here, and then you see the point image would be in the retina. So similarly, in the remedy picture, if you draw a convex lens in front of the eyes, so when light is coming from the nearest object, then after the formations, they will actually converge into the retina, and then this object would be visible for this eyes or human eyes. So hopefully those who actually are facing this trouble, actually long sight or hypermetropia means those person can see the distant object clearly but not the nearer object, because from the nearer object when light rays fall into the human eyes, the meeting point is far from the retina, so it's getting blurred. So in case of hypermetropia patient, they will use the convex lens as the power of the convex lens is positive. So like as an aid lens, as a spectacles, when they will use, I hope that if you understand that point is suppose +5 diopter. So it means that someone is using a spectacles which power is +5 diopter. It means this is a convex lens, and the focus of this lens is 1 by p. So 1 by 5 means 0.2 meter, or you can say 20 centimeter. So the focal distance of this lens, which is actually using as an aid lens, their focus would be 20 centimeter. And this 20 centimeter means that it would be a 20 centimeter ahead from here. So the retina would actually work as a light sensitive in this case. So when light is coming from the near object and our eyes cannot see it, so we should use the convex lens. So what are the reasons behind it? So in previous video I explained 3 reasons behind that. The 3 reasons same for this problem. You see that the diameter of the eyeball, if it is decreased, in case of hypermetropia, the cause can be the diameter of the eyeball if it is decreased. Number 2 reason is if the focal length of the eyes lens, the lens getting increased. If the focal length increased, so when focal length will increase, then the power of the lens would be decreased. So similarly, we've got 3 reasons for hypermetropia. Number 1, if diameter of the eyeball increased, if the focal length or the focal distance of the eye lens increased, and the power of the eye lens decreased. These 3 reasons are the main reason for hypermetropia, and the remedy is using convex lens as an aid lens. So whenever you know that someone is using a spectacles at -2.5 diopter, you must think this is a myopic patient. Or someone is using +2.5 diopter, it means this is a convex lens, and convex lens is used in case of hypermetropic patient. So I hope you understand a very short lecture, and the main purpose of this lecture is to make you understand the structure of the human eyes. Of course, you need to draw these things clearly and accurately, and of course if you draw it, it would be much more lucrative than me. And these 3 pictures, try to understand the reason or the cause of hypermetropia, same as the cause of myopia, and the remedy of it. So when you will draw this 3 picture, complete it perfectly, and in case of myopia also draw 3 pictures. So this is a very short lecture regarding hypermetropia, and in the next video I'm coming up with the relations or the differences or the distinguish between human eyes and camera. So take care, stay well, stay blessed. Bye.